I told you I look like a market.
Because you're deep in the shit. Don't you, my baby, you be my best friend too. Don't finish. Where are you? Are you in Port Harcourt? Where are you? Lagos. Just look at my little man, my little content creator.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
To your YouTube channel, right? Where are you?
We are in Lagos.
Whose house?
Auntie Amanda's house.
What did you come to Lagos to do?
We go to Auntie Amanda's wedding.
Say happy married life in advance, Auntie Amanda.
Happy married life
In advance.
in advance, Auntie Amanda.
Yay!
Yay!
Okay, this is my TikTok dancer. There's camera in her face and she's covering face. That why you dey dance for TikTok, you dey cover face. Yeah. Look at this one. Right. Righteous baby. Mwah. Hey guys. And this is the Amaria. Her name is Osamo Diame. Because when you take keep eye, they like say I catch you for one crime when they commit. So this is who we came for. Oh yeah. I want to talk like Sean. That's what Sean they do. And this is the maid of honor. Maid of honor. Don't worry, I will still show you guys when they look their best. For now, people should get before and after. Look at. Walk one kill him. In-house designer. Walk one kill him. Our in-house designer. See her machine.
Honestly, where your life for now?
Now them be this so. Don't tell us that they arrest. Now them be this so.
Now just to close the mouth.
Now to put the zip. But see hold. See them. Last one of the house. Hello. And as per usual, what the last ones? What do they do? What are they known for? House chores. See them. Oh yeah, they want to kill you with work. Say hi guys.
Hi guys.
Say hi guys.
But they still want to kill you with work.
They want to kill you, and then see the second last one of the house. She's doing chores. She's making yam for us to eat. Okay. We're going to Home Affairs. I'm exploring Lagos. Hopefully, I'll be able to like always remember to vlog because activities that these people don't plan plenty, and I'm here for it. I'm up for it. I'm waiting for it. So I'm actually in my younger sister's house. Later, I'll be going on to see my elder sister's house too. Okay. See what I know vex. This excitement there, it never they end anytime soon. Why Vegas?
What if they're falling?
Who be that? Now walk, they walk now. You have to make this money. You guy, you have entered. Forget it.
I told you I look like a market.
Because you're deep in the shit. Because you're deep in the shit. Even the one where they marry, see eyes. See how swollen the eyes.
I try my own now. Get addiction when they make something. I get my
These are perfumes.
My next target. That must be my worth for me something. But I'm paying you. Because you don't just
What did they do you? Abo. Are you serious? So we have this big industrial gas sitting pretty in the kitchen, and we're trying to steam the meat for the occasion. I was supposed to vlog all through before we got to this part, but I'm so tired, guys. I'm so tired. I don't even know if I'll be able to keep up with this vlog right now. I don't know if I'll be able to keep up with this vlog, but as it is, this is how far. So let me go into the kitchen. Okay, so I have this consolation down.
Since day one forever. I didn't even know what. I know to remember the attire self, so I be no confused imagine now. On you, my baby, you be my best friend too. Now wow. We made it true. Nobody thought we'll ever come this far. I know I can count on you, but baby, you'll be my best friend too.
This one was properly sliced. And I'm sure I don't want mommy slice this. Now mommy slice this one. This one I'm looking at now. Mommy slice it. You go and learn. Go that side. Go that side. Go that side. Don't finish. My eyes are red. My head is just around the Now this is not the stress. Your head it has a lot of moisture. My eyes are red. I'm so tired. I was sleeping all through, but look at my nails. Pretty. I love it. So, we all look homeless whenever I'm making like these videos, especially this one. It's okay. No, I don't want to invite it. No, of course. This one is fine. Did we buy this?
We didn't buy this. I'll buy this one.
Where is the bridal shower? Only that one.
No, this have better shower balloons. There's no like.
Do you have that
Sorry?
of blowing balloons?
I'm not sure.
I put that in, yeah, no this. Let's put that in. Put that gold in.
She looks like so like dead.
Even me when I film, I look like that too.